Okay, let's take a look at number 2. Problem number 2 has us considering the distance of different throws. So it said the problem says Samantha and Bill are having a beanbag throwing contest and need to measure each of their throws. Letter A, circle the most appropriate tool to measure their throws. Would it be a ruler, paper clips, a meter stick, or centimeter cubes? Well, we've done quite a bit of work of thinking about which tool is most appropriate. And when you have a small job, a small tool works just fine. But when you have a large job, you want to use a bigger tool. So I know that if I'm measuring beanbag throws, the paper clips and the centimeter cubes would not be good choices because they're way too small and it would take me too long and I have more opportunities to make a mistake. A ruler could work, although I would probably lean more toward the meter stick because the meter stick is longer and I could complete my measurement quicker. So the meter stick is the tool that I would choose. And why is that? I choose a meter stick. Letter B, explain your choice using pictures or words. Well, the meter stick is the best tool because it is the biggest. And because it's the biggest, it will help the kids measure their throws quicker than if they use the other tools. So the goal here is for kids to understand that using the larger tool is the most efficient because they can measure more accurately and more quickly. Letter C, Bill throws his beanbag 5 meters, which is 2 meters farther than Samantha. Samantha threw her beanbag. Let me start that one again. Bill throws his beanbag 5 meters, which is 2 meters farther than Samantha threw her beanbag. How far did Samantha throw her beanbag? Draw a diagram or picture to show the length of their throws. So Bill threw his beanbag 5 meters. And that is 2 meters farther than Samantha's. So Samantha, if Bill is 2 more than Samantha, then that means Samantha is 2 less than Bill, or 3 meters. So the question says draw a diagram or a picture to show the length of their throws. Well, here's Bill, and he throws his beanbag 5 meters. So here's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then here's Samantha. And Samantha throws 2 meters less than Bill. Oops, that's not a very good scale. So here's Bill's throw at 5, and Samantha was 2 less. Now there's a third person that's part of the beanbag throwing contest, and her name is Sarah. Personally, I wish that the people that had written this assessment would have given this third kid in the beanbag throwing contest a name that didn't start with an S or a B. So on my student's assessment, I actually changed that student's name to Janie. I just crossed it out and wrote Janie. The reason I like the child to have a name that doesn't start with S is because the strategy of making a table is really helpful. Janie threw her beanbag 3 meters farther than Bill. Well, that's going to tell me to do some addition. So I know already that Bill threw 5 meters, and just a moment ago I figured out that Samantha threw 3 meters, and now I have Sarah, or Janie, for the purposes of making the table easy to understand. Janie threw 3 meters farther than Bill. So here's Bill, and then Janie is 3 more than Bill. So Janie threw 8 meters. And the question is, who won the contest? And then, how do you know? Well, Janie won the contest. How do I know? Well, she threw 8 meters, which is more than Bill or Samantha threw. Now, when I'm teaching kids to respond to story problems, I always want them to underline the most significant part of their answer, which is typically the direct answer to the question, who won the contest? Janie won the contest. And then how do you know? The rest of it is supporting. And then I want the answer circled so that the part that they want drawn, the teacher's attention drawn to is really, really clear, indicated by their circle.